friends, it's time to experience Japan's bullet train. This super fast train is called the Shinkansen. It runs up to 320 kilometers per hour, but it feels so smooth. Look outside the window. You'll see villages, small houses, factories, offices, and beautiful green paddy fields. It's like watching a movie. Because of such fast train service, people can live far from the city and still work in town. It's fast, clean, and always on time. Japan's trains are just awesome. If you like this ride, please like, subscribe, and stay tuned for more adventures.